Hey everyone, this is Adam, aka Utah Desert Dweller. I'm the proprietor here at Liberty Vacation Rentals. It's my 4-unit apartment building out by Lake Powell in Utah. I'm going to give you guys one of my best kept secrets here, how to cover your asset when it comes to protecting your property, your investment, your rentals, really easily covering any insurance claims that might come up, or air cover with Airbnb. It's their $1 million umbrella coverage policy. And if this helps you out, you want to join Airbnb as a host, there's a huge referral bonus right now, and I'll even throw you a kickback if you direct message me. I'll send you a little bonus from my end, because they've made the bonus so big, because I'm an ambassador, I've referred a lot of people. So they made the bonus so big, and I'll also give you some training, give you some free YouTube tutorials. I might even text you or directly communicate with you on the phone for some extra help. So we're gonna do a walkthrough right through with my house right now, and a video walkthrough, and I'm gonna explain how this will help you. And one little tip within the video here, for my keys, I use old school keys. I don't use cards. I use a blue for the bottom. So B is blue for bottom. Red is dead. Red is for the deadbolt. So there's a little extra tip in the video here. Whoops. Hold on. We're just going to keep rolling here. So what I'm doing right now, I have a guest checking in today. It's Wednesday, May 4th. And the guest has a dog, so I have a blacklight. I got a blacklight off of Amazon for $20. And let's say you had, a guest with no reviews, or a guest with a bad rating, maybe a 4 or 4.2 or something, and you want to double check. They said they're bringing some children, they're bringing a dog or two, it might be a large group. Here's what you do. You go into your listing, you get just a detailed cell phone video like what I'm doing right now. If you have a black light, I like to use a black light so I can prove right now. I'm proving before my guest checks in that there's no animal stains on the carpet. Like it would be obviously it would show up kind of yellowish if there was a stain. I can prove that my leather couch has no rips or tears in it, right? The coffee table's intact, it's sturdy, right? The TV isn't broken. TV turns on. So you're going to spend 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how big your rental is. Maybe it's a big house, maybe 10 minutes. But it's really worth it to cover your asset. It's really worth it. When you get a claim and the guest checks out and says, oh, we didn't do it, or we didn't know how to make that thing work, so it's not our fault it broke. You got the proof because you did a walkthrough the day before they checked in, or maybe the morning of the check-in. So I'm going through here. I can check my upholstery. These chairs are intact. There's no rips in the chairs. Table looks good. This guest is paying a little extra because they're bringing a dog, so I'm putting out a nice bottle of wine and some chocolates. You don't have to do that, but I'm doing it for this guest. It's checking in on Wednesday, May 4th. Kitchen looks great. See, the microwave is there. Actually, it's a really good thing I double checked this. My house cleaner left some smudges there. Wow. So it's a good idea to double check. Sink is intact, right? Wash machine's working. Whoops. Some standing water in the wash machine. So I need to run the wash machine real quick here. So you see how important it is to do a double check, right? So I'm doing the double check. And it's also going to cover my butt. So if like the dog scratches the walls, right? I got like a shot. I can see the walls. They're not too badly scuffed up, a little touch-up paint in some spots there. Amazing how quickly you can spruce up a place, and amazing how quickly it can look like it's been lived in after just a few guests checking in. Not always that bad. Most guests are going to do really good. So checking up here. I already did a video earlier. I ran my black light over the carpet so I could check for spots. Bed looks good. The nightstands look good. Lampshades don't have any tears. All right, so you get the idea now. What you do is you upload your video to YouTube as private or unlisted. You don't need the whole world watching you do a walkthrough, right? So you upload it to a YouTube account, make a new YouTube account. Now you've got the archive video as proof of your walkthrough, not just still photos, which could have been taken at any time, right? Your video will have a time and a date stamp when you upload it to YouTube. So now there's no question when you took the video, because it has the time and the date stamp. And you can even show like the date on turn on the news on the TV and show the date, or have like a tablet or another phone in your hand, show the date on that device, right? So there's absolutely no denying when you did your walkthrough. So now you've got your walkthrough archived. If there is a problem when the new guest checks out, like a dog stain on the carpet, they tried to cover it up, but your black light reveals that you need a professional carpet cleaning, something's broken, whatever it is, etc. You've now got undeniable, convincing proof, and it'll make your air cover claim with Airbnb or VRBO, whatever your insurance, it'll make it so much easier. Now the guest cannot argue because you did the video walkthrough, the camera doesn't lie, you got the time and date stamp, there's no question, it'll process your claim so easily, even if the guest is trying to lie or they don't get back to you or they don't answer the question, you've got undeniable proof, right? So this is one of my best kept secrets in terms of covering my asset with Airbnb VRBO. Hope this video helped you out. If you liked it, you can click over here to subscribe. You can click over here to watch another one of my wonderful videos. I don't always do Airbnb tutorials, but if this helps you out and you want to join, use my referral link below. So you start with the bonus, then send me a message, leave a comment that you used my link. I'll see that you signed up in my referral history, and I'll personally reach out to send you some more tutorials or give you some direct advice one-on-one. It's been a pleasure talking to you today. Thanks for being here. Make it a great day.